Putting Afterpay on your website is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys will be able to put Afterpay on your website. Well, the process is pretty simple. In order to do that, you need to have an Afterpay for retailers account. So how can you get that? So for that, as you guys can see, I'm on Google now here. You just have to search for Afterpay and then for retailers. And after searching for that, you have to go to the first website, which should say for retailers, get new customers with Afterpay. It should be afterpay.com. And this is how it will look. Now here you have to click on this get started. Now after clicking on that, it will want you to log into, your Afterpay business account. Now as you guys can see, it is telling you get Afterpay for your business. Now after, signing it up, creating a new account, you will be able to access the APIs or links which you will be able to put as a payment method on your custom websites. So simply just create an Afterpay for retailers account and you will be able to put it on your website or any business wherever you want. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.